Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have the July Silver Swag box, y'all. I'm so excited. This box is so much fun. It's loads and loads of fun. And the Silver Swag ladies send this over to me free for review. Brandy and Ashley are sisters, and they created this box out of love. They created it for a family member when we were in lockdown, and they wanted to let the family member know that they still loved her very much, but they just couldn't go see her. And out of it came a business. So they have, they come up with the most wonderful themes every month. And then they have a packing party when they pack the boxes with all their friends and family help. So these boxes are packed with love. They truly are. And there's usually things in there like fun activity, home item or holiday decor, personal care items, treats. There's gadgets, fun gadgets and things like that. There's a Stay Connected card. I'll show you that in a moment. And also, they just want to help busy families stay connected with their loved ones. That's the whole point of this box. And it's $49.99 a month. And I have a code that they gave me that'll save you $15 off your first box. It's CATS15. So the July box, let's see what it's all about. I did cut it open. I do know the theme, but I'm gonna let us all be surprised together. I mean, I heard it on Instagram. Whoops. Okay, here we go. It says, hello, July. Look at that pretty sticker. And there's a Paris, the Eiffel Tower on there. Isn't that beautiful? They always have the most beautiful themes, the most fun themes, and the most beautiful stickers they have made. And this wrapped in this pretty tissue. Hey, Camille. And then there's a couple of cards in here. And the theme is Pardon My French. So Silver Swag Box presents Pardon My French. Look at how they do. Every card is beautiful and the themes are beautiful. And on the back of this card, this is the Stay Connected card. So it says, summer is a great time to travel and explore new places. This month is about globetrotting experiences. Share your best travel stories using these questions. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. And then what you can do with your, call your grandma and say, hey grandma, what is one place you've always wanted to visit? And then it helps you to open up and discuss things with each other. So that's why it's called the Stay Connected card. And it's beautiful. Okay, Cammie's into the little squigglies already. And then there's another card. It says, thanks for being a part of Silver Swag Box. And they do want you to take a picture and show it on Instagram and, tag them and all that good stuff. And on the other side is what's inside. They tell you about the items that are inside this box. And I do want to tell you that usually each month box, the last time to get them is the 10th of the month. And they did say that on Instagram. So if you fall in love with this box, I don't know if they have any more July boxes. So if you go on and subscribe and use my code, you'll get August. But you can send them a message and ask them if they have this box left over, if you really are in love with this box. Let's see what's in there. Of course, they're all getting into the act here. They want to get in. Smudge is coming over because he loves this box. So I think what I'm going to do is try to take things out before he climbs in. And I will show you. Oh, golly, usually I like to show you as I open things, but he doesn't allow that. Ooh. Okay, Smudge, you can get in. You can get in. All right, let me get the card. Oh, I'm seeing some wonderful things. All right, the card says, okay, the first thing we have is by the brand Viv Lou. And it's a travel jewel case. And I believe that's what this is. It says solve your jewelry travel needs with the zipper jewel case. Store large items in the center and small items in the 8 mini pockets. Let's see what that looks like. It's always nice to have a travel bag for that, to keep things secure. So let's see. Oops, it is. Excuse me. Yes, there's the tag, Viv Lou. Excuse me. And this is, let me open it up. It zips open at the top. This is very nice because it's good and compact. Oh yeah, this is very nice. There's lots of room in here. And then there are these little pockets. You can put a ring or earrings. There's, it said that there's 8 little pockets all the way around. And then you can put your necklaces and such in the middle. And this is perfect size for traveling. Just a few things to get you through your weekend in case you have something fancy you want to do on your weekend, or just, you know, to have some cute little chic little earrings for your jeans and t-shirt outfit. So that is very cute. Okay, Camille, calm down. Next we have a nice snack from the Candy Club. Oh, the Candy Club. I see them on YouTube. This is the Très Chic Vanilla Creme Brulee Bonbons. Take dessert to go as you head out on the town to catch your next flight. So you can do, yeah, you can just carry these with you. The Candy Club. Oh, you know, I've got to, it says France series. Let's smell these. I'm not going to eat it right now because then I won't be able to talk. But okay, it's sealed nicely. Oh my, I knew it would be fabulous. Creme brulee. Oh my goodness, look at that, y'all. There's so many. Well, I'll try one at the end. I'll try one at the end. That is a huge jar of them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Okay, Camille. Then we have Paris tea bags. I did see the tea bags. Ooh, Harney & Sons brand. Let me show you one and I'll read the other. There are 4 tea bags. These are beautiful to look at for one thing. It's the brand Harney & Sons, and it is Paris fruity black tea with bergamot oil. I love black tea, is my favorite. And because it has caffeine, I have to have caffeine with my tea. I like that better than herbal tea. So these are very nice, and what's nice about these, when they're individually wrapped, you can carry them with you. And then if you need some tea, you got it with you. Sometimes when I go out with friends and they order coffee after a meal, I like my coffee in the morning, so I'll get tea. And sometimes they don't have good tea, but if they'll bring me the hot water, then I can have my own little tea. So that's nice to have. So that says this black tea is infused with currant, citrus, and caramel for a unique Paris twist. How cool is that? All right, next up is Lorella brand. Now we know that brand, Lorella Cosmetics. This is a trifold travel mirror. Be sure you're looking très belle wherever you go with this trifold mirror with kickstand and 8 LED lights. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. It's nice and heavy. It's called the Black Knight. Hey, well maybe, okay, that's the name. Okay, open up your, okay, let's just open it because I can't follow that. Oh, this is nice. It has a little instructions on what to do, and then it says your Lorella right there, and it's gonna open. It's gonna open. I know it's gonna open. I just have to figure it out. There we go. Oh, that's nice. It opens like this, y'all. So I can't really show you because it'll flash you, you know. But anyway, there's 3 sides, and there is little heart-shaped lights. Let me see. There's a place for batteries. Install, let's see. Let me see if there's a battery in here. I can't tell because how do you turn it on? Oh, maybe up here. There's a thing up here. Hang on. Let's see. All right, there's no battery in it, but when you can, there's when I get the batteries in there, then you press this, and then you have your 3. I like that. That's really nice. You can see yourself very well to put your makeup on, and then it's great for it'll fit right in your travel bags. So that is exciting. All right, she's taken over the box, and you know Smudge does, so she's getting in his way. Next we have Graphique de France. Meet Me in Paris Vegan Leather Journal. This is beautiful, y'all. Look at how pretty that is. It says, jot down travel memories and more with this lined 8x6 journal. Can you all see the print? It says, you had me at bonjour. Isn't that cute? And then the beautiful Paris sights. And, oh, how pretty, y'all. It has at the top, if you want, you can date this. It has all of the months and then from 1 to 31. So if you want, you can circle, you know, for example, July, and then circle, 13 on here and make it a calendar if you'd like, or just journal. If you don't have to start January 1st. You can start on your vacation and say you're on vacation January 13th. You can circle up at the top I'm sorry, July. I'm saying January. July 13. And then write down, you know, just landed in Paris. We're going to go see the Eiffel Tower tonight or whatever. You know, had a fabulous meal, whatever you want to say. And then maybe you don't want to write in it tomorrow, but then when you turn the page, maybe the 15th or 16th, you want to write something. So that is really cool. So you can use it as a notebook, pardon me, or as a journal. And it's beautiful. There's a lot of pages in there. It's nice and thick. That is really pretty. I like it. And then they said this is like leatherette. All right, Camille, can you calm it on down? And then the last thing we have is this. Let me show you this and then I'll tell you what it says. The Puzzle Society. This is a pocket posh I never can say that. Can you all say that? Sudoku. Long layover. The time will fly with this pocket-sized book with 100 Sudoku puzzles. I love Sudoku. It's fun. The world needs more puzzles is the name of this book. That is so cool. I love a puzzle book. I usually have a puzzle book going all the time. I do lots of different puzzles. Oh, this is nice. There's 2 to a page, and then the pages are double-sided. So when you open this up, there's 4 on one page. And the nice thing about this puzzle book is it has a binder edge to it. So when you try to fold it over, you don't, it's not, you know, wanting to constantly flip back. You can stay on your page that you're on. And there, it says that there's 100 in here or more than 100. Oh, it says 200 plus puzzles and solutions. So, oh, hey. She is really not, oh, I don't know what to do with her some days. Okay, the answers are in the back, which is great. Stop now. And then we've got all these, it goes from easy to hard. So that is great to carry with you if you're flying or if you're in a car and somebody's driving and you're not driving and you can do your puzzles. Okay, Camille, stop. Here she is biting me constantly. All right, calm down. All right, so in this fabulous box, as always, it is, I'm going to have to stop. Pardon my French. Don't get stuck on my blouse. I'm not going to be happy if you do. We have this lovely travel jewelry case. We have the beautiful Lorella mirror that opens up. So you can set this on your table. You can use it in the bathroom, wherever you put your makeup on, and use it in the hotel. So it's very nice. You can carry it with you. It's a good size for carrying with you. We have the teas, the lovely Paris teas. You know, I want to say that I have had this tea before. I don't know where I've had it from. If I got it in a box or if I did. I'm a tea lover, so I may have just gotten it along the way somewhere. And we have these. Well, we'll try these in a second. I'll show you that in a minute. We have the journal. You had me at Bonjour. I love this journal. It's so much fun. It's so big. It'll hold lots and lots of memories, lots of journaling, and our Sudoku puzzle book, which this is, if you're going to get a puzzle book, this is the kind to get with a binder so that you can open it easily. And then our candy, our snack. This is from the Candy Club, Très Chic Vanilla Creme Brulee. Let's try one. All right. They smell heavenly. Oh, look at that. Oh. It's liquidy inside. Oh my goodness. These are rich and delicious. Oh my goodness. I've heard such wonderful, wonderful things about the Candy Club. Delicious. Oh my goodness. It's so rich. You can't just sit and eat this whole jar. This will take a while because they're delicious and rich. Oh my goodness, so chocolatey, and the creme brulee and the vanilla, absolutely wonderful. So thank you so much to the lovely ladies at Silver Swag Box. All right, here she is. She's taken over the box from Smudge. He'll get into it later. I'll let him in there. Can you behave? She can't behave. She can't. Just so y'all know it. But you know, when she's about a year old, I'll be saying, oh, she's so docile. I don't know if that's ever going to happen, but they just, you know, they have a lot of energy. Thank you so much to Miss Brandy and Miss Ashley. I love this box. It's so much fun. This is the kind of box that I just think makes a fabulous gift to your loved ones. And can you imagine your sister's family, your brother's family opening this box together as a family and how much fun they'd have with it. And, you know, fighting over, I get this book, I get this book, I want the mirror, you know, that kind of thing. And you can take this traveling with you this summer, and it's a fantastic box. And don't forget about the Stay Connected card. You can share that with your loved ones as well. Thank you all so much, and count your blessings. And I'll have the code below, and I'll have their link below so you can find them. And they're on Instagram as well, and they're on Facebook also. Thank you all so much. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.